Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and you know what time it is. It's time to do some hair. These hair ties are a mom's best friend. My daughter does not like getting her hair done at all. But with these hair ties, they really don't get tangled. They don't get trapped in the hair. So it's a lot less crying and complaining. They also stretch pretty far. Sometimes after I make a ponytail, I want to make a nice bun, so I use another hair tie to secure it in place. When her hair is looking a bit rough and I need to redo it, it's also easy to take them out. As I said before, it doesn't get stuck in the hair, so that's minimal complaining, and it just makes for a happy child and a happy mom. So if you are looking for good quality hair ties that are colorful, they can really help you accessorize, and it's really good for all different types of hair. Doesn't really get tangled in your hair like that. I would definitely recommend this product for kids, for adults, anyone who needs a hair tie, and that's my point of view.